Hey friends, it's Rosie from iHeartRecipes.com, and I'm going to show you how to make my favorite Southern sweet cornbread recipe. I shared this many moons ago, but I did change a couple of ingredients, so let's get right to it. So you're going to need some all-purpose flour. You'll also need some yellow cornmeal. Now, if you remember this recipe, like over 5 years ago, I added white cornmeal. Right now I'm using yellow. I just added in some granulated sugar as well as brown sugar. FYI, you can use yellow or white cornmeal. I know someone's going to ask me, so yes, you can use either. And now we're going to mix everything until it is well combined. Now I'm going to add in some baking powder as well as some salt. Now for some of the observant people, you're going to see down in the corner that I have some baking soda right there. I did not use it. That was for another recipe, so don't get it twisted. No baking soda is needed. You'll need some medium-sized eggs. I use 4 for this recipe. And you'll also need some milk. I use regular whole milk. Now we're going to add in some vegetable oil. FYI, I use canola. If you want to use a different vegetable oil, you can. And we're going to add butter. Lots of butter, actually. So now we are going to just mix everything until it is nice and well combined. And I had a little brown sugar lump there that I'm trying to get out. Once the batter is nice and smooth, or smooth like this is great, we're going to pour it in a 9x13. Now, don't forget to oil your 9x13, and FYI, if you want the exact measurements for this recipe, be sure to visit my blog, iHeartRecipes.com. You can print it out, and while you're on my blog, make sure that you subscribe to my mailing list so you can get my recipes via email. And now we're going to let this bake in the oven. Now, my oven is on 350. I'm going to let it bake for about 35 to 40 minutes. And when it comes out, this is the finished look. Now, y'all, you know I have to show you how moist it is. Look at that. Definitely give it a try. And again, if you want the recipe, head over to my blog, iHeartRecipes.com. Thanks for watching.